Hi everyone, I'm Dr.M and welcome to our course, Methods of Research.
And today we're going to discuss stating the research problem. The problem statement is the researcher's guide during the research process. It is the verbalization and articulation as well as the analysis of the questions in which the researcher wants the research to answer. Now let us discuss the characteristics of the statement of the problem. It must be stated in precision, accuracy, and clarity. It is important that the statement of the problem is stated in precision, accuracy, and clarity to avoid sweeping generalizations and irresponsible pronouncement. It can be stated either in declarative or interrogative form. The problem statement is divided into the major or main problem and the minor or sub-problem. It may be stated declaratively or in statement form and interrogatively or in question form. It can be either one main statement question or a series of statements questions or a combination of these forms. A statement of the problem is a concise description of the issues that need to be addressed by the researcher. It can be stated in one main statement or it can consist of a major or main problems with sub-problems. The problem should be defined in terms of the data that can be obtained. There are two classifications of problem statement or research question: the general problem statement and the specific questions. According to Cortez and Galman in 2018, in writing your problem statement, you may start with the following preambles. This study deals with. It is the main task of the study to. This study describes, compares, and establishes the general problem to be inquired in this. So we have here an example. This study aims to investigate the antibacterial activity and phytochemical analysis of insulin plant, Helenia speciosa extract. Another example is, this study aims to evaluate the knowledge and understanding of environmental issues of master's teachers in public secondary schools in Nueva Ecija. And the last example, it is the main task of this study to evaluate the effectivity of pesticides and states of immunity of pests and pesticides. According to Ariola in 2006, the guidelines in using the sub-problems of the study are the following. First, it should not duplicate or overlap the other sub-problems. It must be a completely researchable unit. It is important to create a good research statement, and you must choose research problems that can be supported by the resources available to you. If you are not sure if something is researchable, seek help from an expert. It should be specifically, correctly, and grammatically worded in the language of research. It is not answerable by yes or no. Next, it is arranged in a logical order from factual to analytical order, following the flow in the research paradigm. And last, each specific problem has a corresponding statistical tool. Statistics is needed in all researches, especially in quantitative studies. Through statistics, researchers can translate facts into numerical values. The facts speaks more clearly, and the researcher is able to see the nature and interrelationship more understandably. So let us give an example. For the general problem, this study seeks to determine if the profile of the school administrators is significantly related to their management ability. For the sub-problems, specifically, it aims to find answers to the following questions. How may the profile of the school administrators be described in terms of the following: age, sex, IQ, language spoken, and educational qualifications? How may the management ability of the administrators be described? And is the profile of the school administrators significantly related to their management ability? According to Calaguas in 2015, a good research question should be simple, specific, and important. That's all from now. Thank you and keep safe.